Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. In today's video, I'm just gonna show you all what are the things I carry in my vanity when I'm just out for a day or two. So firstly, lenses is not required, but for the video, I'm using the lenses. And this lenses is from the brand Olens and it is in the shade gray. I love this lens because it is a perfect shade for me when I'm wearing western. I get many compliments when I'm using these lenses, especially because it suits my complexion, and also I love it when I'm wearing western and casual clothes. And you all saw that it is so easy to wear lenses, but yes, definitely it requires a practice. And now moving further, this is my little vanity or a little pouch in which I carry my little and basic cosmetics. And now beginning with the skincare, my face is just prepped with the moisturizer. This is from the brand Nykaa. This is just a facial oil, perfect for anti-pigmentation, and this makes your skin so soft. You will see it in few seconds. Firstly, you just have to rub this facial oil into your palm so that the oil gets warm, and then gently apply it all over your face and neck. Guys, instantly you all can see there is so much of glow. I also had so many acne spots which is slowly reducing with this facial oil. This facial oil specially helps in anti-pigmentation and to reduce the acne marks. And lately I am loving this just before my makeup, and immediately or just after this I'm gonna use this foundation. And yes, this foundation is so amazing, so full coverage, and this is my second most favorite. My first favorite is the L'Oreal Infallible one, and I'm in the shade 120 classic ivory. And you all can see I've just taken one pump. Very little is just enough to cover your spots, as this is a full coverage foundation. And you all can see that I'm just blending it with my fingers today. I'm not using any brush or any beauty blender. As I'm applying, can you all see the difference? It is actually hiding all my acne spots, and this is a perfect shade of my neck and chest. And it is so easy to blend this foundation after using this facial oil. It is just like applying a cream. And yes, if you're searching for a foundation, that too a drugstore one, this one is really amazing. And if you are oily skin or combination skin, you're gonna love this and the L'Oreal one. So just have a check. I also have few videos on L'Oreal foundation, so y'all can check. Very little is just enough to give you a flawless skin. And after blending it all well just with my fingers, you all can already see it is giving so much of glow. That's all because of the skincare and the facial oil. So now moving further, just I'm gonna set my under eye area with this Studio Fix foundation compact from the brand MAC. And you all can instantly see the difference. One side is mattified and the other side was a bit oily. So I'm just gonna set the compact around my T-zone. And now moving further, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. For that, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild eyebrow kit. This is such an amazing kit, really affordable, best for beginners, and also definitely a very good product. They have these two shades and one wax in it. So I'm just going to use the light brown first, and then if required, I'm going to mix it with the dark brown. And yes guys, if you're following me from a long time, you definitely know that I love making my brows. It completes the entire look. So if you have never tried, please try once. You will definitely see that change and actually love making your eyebrows. Look at the difference. I love it. And now just to prep my lips or hydrate my lips, I have used this Wadi lip balm in the beginning itself. And now the next product what I'm gonna pick is the blush. This is an DIY blush, so sorry. This blush is a mix of a peach and a pink lipstick. I had to just double boil and pour it in a container, and this is how it looks now. I had two powder matte lipsticks from the brand Maybelline and they were a bit broken. So I thought why not make or customize my own shade. So this is how the shade looks, and waiting for your comments, but I genuinely love this shade. As you all can see, it is giving such a beautiful flesh kind of fresh look. Yes, I'm loving the way this feels on the skin. It is so creamy and so fresh. And now next product, oh, let me just remove this comb and keep. I'm gonna use this kajal. This is from the brand Nykaa. Basic kajal, so you can use any of your kajal. I'm just gonna apply it like a liner. You all can see it is so soft and blends very beautifully. And then I'm just gonna blend it with my ring finger. I like these kind of blended eyeliners these days. Can you all see this? This looks such a nice smoky smudged kind of eyeliner. This kind of blended smoky eye look really looks good when you're wearing any kind of nice lenses and all. It completes the look. And otherwise too, you can try and you can share your view with me whether you liked it or not. It's me that I always like to create my own style. Sometimes it is bold kajal, sometimes it is that winged liner. And now these days I'm loving this smudged eyeliner. And now coming or moving to the next product. Excuse this clutch. There's a little sharpener and there's also an extra kajal in my purse. So let's leave all that and move further. I'm going to use this mascara from the brand Essence. I love this mascara so much. Okay, I think I wanted to make my hair first, so let me just complete this. Does this happen with you too? I mean, you're suddenly doing your makeup and you feel like making your hair in between. That's me. And now this mascara is very beautiful. Trust me, it is available on Flipkart. Guys, just check the wand. It is so big and it perfectly curls your lashes, gives lot of volume and looks beautiful. Guys, I think I have almost all the Essence mascara with me, but if you are interested, do comment so that I can make a separate video just showing you all the Essence mascara. I love the Maybelline and Essence mascaras. They are absolutely beautiful. Just using one coat or maybe just like 1.5 coat. I'm not even applying it twice. And this is giving me such a beautiful volume and curl. I'm a person where I like just a single coat should do my work, because 2-3 coats looks clumpy and then I don't know, I somehow don't enjoy that kind of formula. I like it when it is just 1 or 1.5 coat and your lashes are looking fuller. And now I'm using the same cream blush which I made it at home and just lightly applying it on my lips, giving it very soft look. Guys, trust me, I'm enjoying this cream blush so much. So please don't throw your old lipsticks or any lipstick which is broken. Just give a double boil, pour it in a container and use it like a cream blush. You're gonna love it. Now this is a mini size of the perfume Hermes. This is my most favorite perfume. So chalo, let me just quickly show you all the products. The first one is the Nykaa facial oil, what I used on my skin. Then the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation. Then comes the MAC Studio Fix compact foundation. Then the Wet n Wild eyebrow palette, the Wadi lip balm. And then I have used the kajal. You can use any of the kajal just to smudge. I carry these two. The other one is also from Nykaa. And then I have used this DIY blush, cream blush, which is so beautiful. You need a brush or else your fingers is also good to go to just apply the blush. And the last one is my perfume and a comb and a clutch, what I had showed you all earlier, and just one mirror. So these are very minimum products what I carry when I am traveling for a day or two or where I am out for a day or two. And yes, this is my tiny vanity what I carry. And with very minimum and minimal makeup, you all can see this makeup looks so flawless, so beautiful, so fresh, so glowy, juicy. That's all just because of the skin prep. When you prep your skin well, your makeup is gonna look flawless. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please don't forget to give lots of likes, comments, and please do share my channel to your friends and family. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, mwah.